So, hello everyone. Now we are going to solve our next problem of Leetcode called largest perimeter triangle. So, problem is pretty simple. First, we are going to read the problem and then we are going to see the approach or that what problem says. So, we have an integer array norms. Return the largest perimeter of a triangle with a non-zero area. Okay. Form from three of these lengths. Okay. If it is possible to form any triangle of a non-zero area, then we are going to return zero. Okay. So what problem says? We know the perimeter over there. The perimeter concept is generated over there. So the perimeter concept is like we have given the test cases is called 2 1 2 over there. So we write over there is a is equal to 2 1 and 2. So the parameter is called like the sum of the two sides will be greater than, like we have triangle over there like this. So parameter we want this, we write this one is 1 and this one is we can write 4, and this side length is we can, okay, 2. Okay, so the sum of these two sides will be greater than, if it's greater than the third size, then we are going to return the answer. So it seems as that, but we are going to add all these values. So like over there in this test case 2 1 2. Okay, so if we check that 2 and 1, 2 plus 1 is greater than 2, so then we are going to add the sum of these three values is called, and the answer is going to will be 5. Okay, and let's see the next test case. We have 1 to 1, like we are going to write a is equal to 1 2 and 1. So the sum of these two variables is 1. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so now the concept is going over there is called, we are going to sort the array. Okay, so like first sort this array. So the output is like 1 double 2. Okay, another example we have 1 to 1. So after 1 to 1, we are going to sort this array. And it's like 1 1 2. So tell me the addition of these two values, or we can say that these two sides is greater than the third value. So 2 is greater than 2. It is not. So it's going to return 0. तो प्रॉब्लम में लिखा हुआ है हमारे पास that if impossible to form any triangle of a non-zero area, then we are going to return 0. Okay. If it's possible. Okay. So now the simple approach that I told you, we are going to do nothing. Like another example, I'm going to take a is equal to, for making you clear more understand, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so this is like array, and now we are going to sort this array in the descending order. So whenever we sort the array in the descending order, so the array is like look like 2 2 2 1 1 and 1. Okay, it's like this. So now we are going to iterate our loop from this I to n minus 2, because we're going from I is from this place, not from this place. So basically iterate from this loop, and we check that if I plus 1, this value, or the I plus 2 is, if these two value is greater than with the present value which is called I, then we are going to add this sum of these value. So let's see the code which make you more understand it clearly. Understand. So first we sort this array, and then we start our loop to n minus 2. Okay, why n minus 2? Because after, if I is like n, it's going to be above the out of range from the list, so it's going to return the error. So that's why it's n minus 2, because this place and this place is occupied by the I plus 1 and I plus 2. So if I plus 1 and I plus 2 is greater than, so if over there this one is I plus 1 and this one is I plus 2 is greater than I, then we are going to add the sum of these three value, and then if not, this type of area is not present over there, or this type of value is not present in our array, then we are going to return 0. So let's run the code, and after then we, if code is run, code is successfully run, yes, and now we are going to submit our code. So yeah, that's all about. this code. So hope you guys understand the time complexity. Yeah, it's very little bit we can say worse. That first we sort our array which takes log n time, and we will loop iterate our loop, so the time complexity has become n log n. So that's all about this video. So hope you guys